Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That's Chocolate V with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. This video was all about my stray cat. Okay, so what inspired this video was the fact that I told y'all there would be no vlog this week. That might be a lie because I think I am going to try to do Vlogmas. I want to do Vlogmas. I want to be a YouTuber who vlogs every day or at least every other day and puts the video out. Y'all stick me to that challenge, okay? But anyway, this is all about Straylisha. I have had a pet stray cat for how many months now, y'all? For a while, okay? So I just want to make a little quick video all about her, okay? Because y'all be asking about updates and she's still out there, okay? Also, 70% of this video will be filmed with the new Meta glasses, Generation 2 Skylar. We'll get more into that on my regular vlogs. I'll show you guys. I don't have the glasses with me right now. But if you're wondering why it's going to be vertical, they do not film horizontal. So most of this video will be vertical. So this vlog starts off with some Fancy Feast cat food. I feed her every morning when I come out. So Straylisha hears when I come outside in the morning and she'll come and eat. This week I gave her Fancy Feast because it was a gift from Coco Crew member. I do not have your real name. I'm so sorry. Please comment on this video. Please, please, please. I'm going to blur out her Instagram profile because I don't know if she wants to be shouted out. So she offered to get Straylisha some food and I was like, okay, cool. I then saw her in the cold at some point last week too, because I think we had two like 20-degree weather days in Atlanta and I was like, oh my gosh. So I wanted to make her a house. I was gonna buy her some bedding, but I took it out my cart. I put it in my car, I hit order, and I was like, Erin, you're doing a lot for somebody who hasn't even built the house yet. So I'm gonna wait until I actually finish building her house correctly before I order her some straw for winter. Okay, y'all, so this is going to seem crazy, but like I've always had this black box. I've been doing my research since Straylisha is a stray, and yeah, I'm crazy. So all I gotta do is cut a hole. I know it looks disgusting. I'm not touching this tonight, or maybe I'll just flip it for her, but cut a hole so she can come in and out. How am I cut a hole? I don't know. And then y'all just saw I just ordered the straw from Amazon, and we're gonna put that in there. It is pretty cold. We're gonna make this her outdoor cat bed. The problem is, where do we put it? I don't think cats like being where they eat, so maybe I'll put it further back. I want to be able to see her, but have her privacy, if that makes any sense. But let me show y'all the hand warming things I got. So we have a huge pack of these, y'all. Like, we have a pack of these. So let me see if it, oh, it says it expired. Well, we're gonna try it anyway. So yeah, maybe we'll go ahead and put a couple of these in this box tonight and see what happens, but I don't think that'll do anything. I wonder if this is straw that I have right here. I know it was seeding straw, but I don't know if it's the same thing as the straw I just ordered. It said do not use hay. It was like no hay, straw repels moisture, and hay absorbs moisture. So I'm guessing, just to show y'all the difference here, if it is what I think it is. And I have seen Straylisha right here before, so I'm thinking this might be the right stuff. This will be seeding straw, and then this here is hay, if I'm correct. So, all right, let's kind of build a bootleg shelter right now with this. There she is. I knew you were coming back here, Tuda. I'm making you a little house. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I'm just gonna put one, y'all. Never mind. I don't want her to like mess with it. This is not going to be big enough like this, but at least it'll give her something if she chooses to stay right here. A little protection from the wind. Let's kind of give her a little bit of coverage with this top until we get a hole. So this can be her little house. I am psycho. Do y'all hear me? This makes 0 sense. Should we cover it like this? Is that too much coverage? I mean, not enough? I don't know. All right, let me get her some food because obviously she's confused. This gourmet food, I cannot believe it. Okay, because I'm nosy, I think I'm going to switch it and have it go this way. I'm trying to figure out which way the wind is going. I kind of want to be able to see her from the trailer, and I know that's not right, but I do. So, okay, girl, here is a nice possible shelter until we get it all together for you. Don't care? Okay, that's fine. So this right here is a possible, they said do not use blankets or Don't use blankets or like bedding or anything like that. That can actually withdraw heat from the cat. So, all right. Okay. Woo. Fancy feast. Oh, she's going to her new bed, maybe. Are you going to try out your new bed? Nope, going to the food. I thought maybe she'd go to her new bed, but obviously she knows what I'm doing. Oh yeah, that ain't bad if she wants to stay there. I can't see it. Here you go, Tuda Bud. I'm sorry I had to kick you out the front door. Sorry about that. I made you a little bed. Here you are. She loves it, by the way. Y'all see what I be talking about? Y'all don't see it yet. Straylisha is not loyal. Why are you next door? They got a whole dog that live over there. Why are you over there? Anyway, I'm moving her little house over here because I figure she do not want to live that close to me. So I'm gonna move her house over here. She's not been in here at all, just giving her options. So this is your house. I'm moving it over here, okay? All right. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go back. Oh, this says indoor, but it should be okay. We're gonna go back to her regular cat food, see what happens. This is not Fancy Feast, Friskies. Okay? Now her not even turning back around. Why I tell you this cat is spoiled? That don't make no sense. I'm coming. I don't know where you're getting this 2-day feeding from. We're not gonna keep this up. How you like that? Okay, we're still eating it. Okay. Can you say hi to the people? Straylisha. Okay. Okay, that's it. I wanted this to be under 10 minutes. Very cute, very much so. If you never saw my stray cat before, you never saw my face before, hey, I'm a psycho vegan who has a stray pet cat named Straylisha, and that's my business. That is my business, okay? Let's wrap this on up. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Happy Vlogmas!